Yeah, you can tell this.
Okay, I'll tell this story again. It's about the three cities made by Maya, the architect of the Asuras. Tarakasura's sons had ordered him for that. So what happens that the first city is made of iron, lowest city. Second is made of silver. Can you believe it? Silver, full city, everything is pure silver.
Okay.
And last one is gold, which is near the heavens. They can never remain in one line unless the North Pole star comes in the middle of the sky and is pink in color. That's what happens, and Shiva destroys the city. But then he remembers that Maya is his devotee, so he starts weeping, and then he tells Nandi to go straight away and tell Maya to run away from that city.
Oh, he's weeping in this.
Yeah, can I show? It's really funny.
Oh, fine. What about Mahabharata?
Mahabharata, that big epic everybody knows. It's about how Arjuna, the Gita also is in here. Very less Gita though. It happens how Arjuna and all the other Pandavas defeat the Kauravas in the battle. Bhishma also falls and everything.
Okay, fine. What about Hanuman to the rescue?
It's about how Hanuman brings us Sanjeevani.
Sanjeevani? Okay, fine, we know it. We know it. Valmiki Ramayana also will be the same Ramayana?
Yes!
Fine, you can keep
Though
it.
there are two Ramayanas, but I think they have the same story.
No.
Tulsidas and Valmiki.
Okay. You read the book?
Yeah. Even though it's small.
What about Krishna?
Krishna, everybody knows that story of Krishna, how he defeats all the Asuras.
So is the story from his childhood? Yeah. Oh, fine, we know it. You can keep it.
And he looks so cute stealing butter.
What about Rama?
Which one?
Rama, the second one from Tales of Vishnu.
This one.
Okay, fine. You can take it.
Tales of Vishnu. Let me tell you one story. The king has to break his fast until afternoon, so he quickly gives all the gold gifts to everyone. But then a guest comes, Sage Agastya. He tells, I'm going for a holy dip. Till then, don't eat anything. Don't break a fast. But till then, it was about to become afternoon, so they had to break the fast.
Uh-oh.
So he told, have one sip of water, sir, please. Otherwise, it will be very inauspicious for us. It's true. If you don't take your fast until afternoon in this story, it will be very auspicious for you. So he just was about to have one sip of water when Agastya came and told, Fool! How dare you drink water when you are supposed to serve your guest first? But then it was Agastya's fault. He was not supposed to be late. He knew that the king was on fast and he had to break his fast until afternoon. But then also, Sage Agastya is known for his anger.
Very nice facts you're telling me. I'll be reading all these books. Okay, Tales of Shiva. Any new fact?
Markandeya story, do you know?
No.
It's about a wise boy who has to die at the age of 16. When he becomes 16, he straight goes and prays to Lord Shiva. Yama has come to take him. He is very impatient to take this soul away, his soul away, but he tells, wait, let me pray first. But Yama is, no, come on, come here. Like that. Our teacher said, come over here.
But why he has to die?
Because at the age of 16, it was a choice his father had made.
Oh.
Shiva had given a boon. Either you'll have a son who is very rude and is not virtuous, who will live forever, or a boy who is 16 will die at 16 years old, but he will be wise and good.
Okay, thank you, Saivi. What about this Krishna and Narkasura?
Narkasura. Narkasura. Let's see. So which one?
There are many stories in that.
Bhumi Devi's son. I just remembered Bhumi Devi's son, and that's how Krishna kills Bhumi Devi's son. Bhumi Devi is Earth.
Oh.
By the way.
Narkasura is Bhumi Devi's son.
Yeah.
Okay. Churning of the ocean.
Hadn't I told that to you before?
Yeah, we know. Just a little.
Mohini, as usual. Did you know that this is Sarpa,
Hmm.
Takshasa, the king of the snakes?
Okay. Taksha. Hmm.
Takshasa.
Okay.
Indra's friend too.
Oh.
He was used as the churner string.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. Rama.
Rama.
Same thing. You can keep it. We know. Hanuman also we know.
Hanuman is
Any interesting fact about your Hanuman?
same thing.
But you read all these books, right? Tales from the Upanishad.
Yeah.
Any other?
Yes. See this? There was a yaksha who brought a blade of grass while all the Indra and all were rejoicing because of their defeating the Asura.
Okay. Oh, fine. You can keep it. Tales of Balarama.
You know how Balarama got his name?
No.
But one thing is really funny. I think you will remember, Balarama and being taken away by a monster.
Mm-hmm.
After a small race, he had disguised himself as a boy.
Mm-hmm.
And you know what he told? Krishna, Krishna, I'm being carried away by Asura. You know what Krishna says?
Mhm.
The poor Asura.
So nice. Okay. What about the Pandavas in the hiding?
Ooh, very funny, very
When
funny.
they were hiding? And why they were hiding?
Because of that bet.
Which bed?
If they will not hide for 13, 12, I don't remember how many.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, 12 years.
Okay.
And will not be spotted. You know what will happen?
Mm-hmm.
They will get back their kingdom. But Duryodhana didn't keep his promise. You know that.
Okay.
Let me show you something funny. Why have you brought me here? I want you to climb that Shami tree and bring that. This prince tells, you know what? It's Arjuna disguised as a woman.
Oh.
Remember, they had to hide in a kingdom?
Ah,
In
they
the
were all
Mahabharata?
hiding. Mm-hmm.
Yes. That corpse? How can I, the crown prince, defile myself by touching that corpse? It's not a corpse, it's a bundle of weapons. Bring it down. And he looks so scared. See? It's actually Arjuna.
Fine, fine. So they were hiding. It's all about the hiding thing. Fine. Take the other one, whichever is there. Just pick one. Right?
So this is about how the Pandava princes came into being and everything. You know what?
Story about the Pandavas?
Yeah.
Okay,
Just the Pandava princes and the normal things.
fine. Fine. We know about that. It's okay. You can keep it.
By the
Dhruva.
way, this is Hidimba.
Who is she?
That Asura which I told about.
Okay.
Hidimba was very ugly and true, but she made herself beautiful just for the sake of Bhima.
Okay. She was something of Bhima.
Wife?
What is the
Second wife. Mama, I
Dhruva
can't
and
believe I
Ashtavakra?
can't believe one thing. How many wives Arjuna had? Ullupi, that princess of some place.
Okay. Dhruva and Ashtavakra?
Not Astavakra. Just Dhruva and the story of Dhruva.
Okay. There are two stories.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
It's about how Dhruva prays to, Vishnu to come and make his father proud of him and not give all the love to his first son only. That's why.
Okay. Fine. Thank you. Now pick up one by one.
You know the pole star or the Dhruva star?
Yeah, I know. From that name. Mm-hmm.
Jagannath Puri.
Mm-hmm.
It's about how it was dreamed by a king and it was made by the gods.
Oh,
The sculptures.
fine. You like the story?
Yeah.
What about the other one, Bahubali? Now we will finish it faster.
Bahubali,
Mm-hmm.
where I wasn't sure that he had to take off all his dresses,
Okay.
but then also it was how to attain, have nirvana.
Nirvana. Okay.
Freedom from the cycle of birth and rebirth.
Life.
You
Who-
know
who
what
was he?
fact? He was a prince,
Mhm.
king of one of the kingdoms in Ayodhya.
Okay.
Ayodhya. He was in Ayodhya.
Give me the book, please.
By the way, he could stare for 1 hour
Mm-hmm.
without blinking.
Oh.
His big brother's eyes were almost stinging with pain.
Mm.
He was a younger brother, but you won't believe it.
Okay.
And you know, he could lift his big brother in 2 minutes.
That's why he was Bahubali or what? Bahubali means with more power.
No, he was just named.
Oh. Krish, what is the other one? Jarasandha. Yes.
This is Bhima.
Okay.
But you would think that this is Jarasandha, this is Bhima. More like. But this is Bhima. It's about Jarasandha over here. Jarasandha defeated by Bhima. You know how he defeated? He didn't know how to defeat Bhima, but Krishna gave a small idea to him. He picked up a stick and then tore it like this. Clutched it like this and tore it into 2 halves. Bhima understood. What he did, he picked up Jarasandha, clutched his 2 legs and tore him apart into 2 halves.
Oh. Fine. But why it happened?
Because Krishna's bitter enemy, Jarasandha, the Asura.
Maybe he taught him some lesson? What lesson?
Lesson that he shouldn't be too proud of himself. Even the person younger than him can defeat him. But then also he had died.
Aruni and Uttamka?
Aruni and Uttamka. Let me see the name. Aruni had once, you know what he had seen? He had seen that water was going into his master's field and he didn't want his master's crop to be, blocked, wiped away. So what he did, he couldn't find anything to block and he didn't want his master's fields to just be cut off. So what he did, he laid his body itself inside the water to protect his master's field.
Really?
Gurukul.
Okay. Fine. The other one. Now we will be little.
Dasha Avatar.
Mm-hmm.
The most fat book I've ever seen. I love it.
Ever seen? This is the fattest book. Oh, okay. Of Amarjit Katha.
Yeah.
Fine.
It's about, Pashurama. Pashurama was the incarnation of Vishnu.
Okay.
Really? You didn't know this, did you?
No.
Pashurama was the incarnation of Vishnu.
Wow.
And once both the incarnations of Vishnu met each other,
How?
Pashurama and Rama. That Rama Valmiki.
They met each other. When?
Remember when he tore the bow?
I
Rama?
don't read books like you. I don't remember things.
When Rama tore the bow,
Shiva's bow.
Yes, he became angry.
Who was he?
Pashurama.
Oh, then?
Remember, he came and stormed in to see if he could actually be powerful.
Okay.
He was very angry that Shiva's bow was destroyed.
So what about Dashavtar?
There were 10 avatars. The Kalki avatar is pollution.
It's pollution. Oh,
Buddha was also avatar of Vishnu, by the way.
really?
Yes.
That's nice.
Can I tell you what avatars were there? Krishna. Krishna avatar, everybody knows that. Rama. And Boar avatar.
Boar, okay.
And can I tell you, this fish is the best one.
Matsya one.
The next Kalpa was about to come. They wanted all the good sages to come along so that they could teach proper things to the next Kalpa.
Wow. What about the next one? Just pick up one.
Only 2 more I left. And this is Elephanta. Many stories about written in here about the Elephanta. Ganga story is there, which I just narrated a few minutes ago.
Okay. Oh, these are the carved ones there in the caves.
Yes.
Mm.
Can I tell you one thing which is very interesting about this?
Give.
Once Vishnu, the preserver, and Brahma, the creator, were arguing. Who is the greatest? No, I'm the greatest. No, 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 Brahma. You're the creator, but I preserve it.
So what you find in this Elephanta when you go to the cave?
Most of the statues were taken away by the Portuguese.
Oh, they were destroyed also.
But well, at least half of them are left.
They are left. Shiva Parvati.
This is much different story as I
Really?
told you. See, over here, Kama and all this you can see. It's about how, and I'll show you actually Himavat. It was about the great mountain Himavat. He married the heavenly nymph, means Apsara,
Okay.
Menka. Menka was really irresistible.
Oh,
And Parvati is the daughter of Menka.
really? That also I didn't knew.
Yes, she was.
Then again I have to read this book, I think so.
Yeah. Krishna and the false Vasudeva.
Okay.
It's about how they started posting, no, Krishna, not the avatar of Vishnu. He is the avatar of Vishnu. He, Vasu is his name.
Oh.
And at last, Krishna tells, here is your Sudarshan Chakra, and here is your mace, and here is your bow. And now what happened? Sudarshan Chakra cut Vasu's head.
Okay. So now all are done.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Saivi. That was very wonderful job. And what are you supposed to do now?
Read them again.
Anything you want to say?
I just please get interested in reading the earlier time books too.
So there are many other books also from ACK, right? Why do you like mythologies more?
Mythologies, because they have the thing which is not in the present world.
So what
Imagination.
you imagine, and many are truth also, right?
Yes, but they have monsters which are not present right now.
So what is the thing which attracts you towards them?
The imagination inside it.
Oh,
It will increase your imagination more, 10 times more.
really? When you read, you imagine them.
Yeah.
So just give us an example. Maybe you read about this. What is the last
False
book?
Vasudeva.
Yes. So what do you imagine in this?
When I see false Vasudeva, I get a nice imagination picture in my mind. What
Like-
I see, the false Vasudeva, I am Vasudeva. Telling like that.
Oh. And about Krishna, what? you
And
think?
the Moors are running away telling, Pia, Pia. Can I tell you what I imagined? Even though it's not in the book, I remember that. Pia, Pia. Ooh, such a dirty Vasudeva. No, I'm going to the other false Vasudeva.
No. So fine.
Means
So
Krishna.
whenever you read those dialogues, you remember, visualize them in your head, right?
No, it was not written over here. I made my own dialogue.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, fine. So anything more you like about these books?
That they are really, really big.
Really big.
Yeah, and they have many stories.
Thank you so much, Saivi.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.